Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be how to replace a shift lever on a 1964 5.5 horsepower Evinrude. So, had a special request from a subscriber named Russell, who has a broken shift lever, the shift handle, on his outboard, and he wants to know how to replace it. So I'm going to make this video for you, Russell. If everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so here's a couple of pictures of Russell's broken shift lever, the handle on his outboard, and he can't figure out how to change it out. So I'm going to do a video on how to do that right now. So I'm working on a restore right now. It's a restore number 129 for John in Gainesville, Florida. He's got a 1954 7.5 horsepower Evinrude. It's the same shift lever that Russell you have out at your place and wanting to change out, and here's why you can't figure out how to do it. I've got that motor completely apart here on my bench. It's all rebuilt, magneto, carburetor, gear case. I'm just getting ready to start cleaning and painting it. So here's the exhaust tube, and here's your shift lever. This one's not broken, and you can see down inside of it, the lever, the handle, sits on a rod, and there's a screw right there that you got to get to unscrew it, and the handle comes right out. Unfortunately, you have to take the power head off of your motor to get to it. So here's the power head sitting right here. All you got to do is take the tower control lever that sits on the base here that connects to the power head off. You have to disconnect the fuel lines from the carburetor, and then up underneath the power head, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that screw the power head onto the exhaust tube. Just get those 6 screws out, and the power head comes right off. No need to take the flywheel off, the carburetor off, the magneto off, nothing. It all comes off as one piece. You can get your shift handle out by undoing that screw, put your new shift handle in, set the power head back on, put the 6 bolts back in the bottom here, connect your tower control, your fuel lines, your carburetor, and to the fuel intake line back on, and you're good to go. So that's how you change the shift lever handle on your motor, Russell. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I did. See y'all next time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.